I think we got a groundhog. How is the bird getting in there and doing that? That's not cool. Wow. I can't express to you how not cool that is. But hey, just totally keep doing that. That's awesome. We'll get along great. We'll get along just splendid. You keep doing that. That's really great. That, great. Oh dear. Springs has sprung upon us, boys. Chickens homulating their program in my truck. Now I got fucking lice and shit all over me. Awesome. I was doing something. Am I able to count on you to take some responsibility?
What you need?
I need you to remember the hose, hydraulic hose cutter. I got to drop it off in Woodstock on the way to drop you off.
Okay. So I just got to remember that we're going to take that
before we leave.
Okay. Hydraulic hose cutter.
Yeah. Plus it's heavy as f, so you're gonna need a hand put it in the back of the truck.
Oh man, now you're asking too much.
But I will forget. Big time.
Hydraulic hose cutter.
Yeah. This is your chance to show me how responsible you are.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
This is the moment.
See if I've just been fucking wasting all these cigarettes. What's really going on? Oh, you touched my penis.
Yeah, buddy. You wet me.
This thing's fucked. What are you even talking about? Different rims on it.
Just got the other one at her mom's. Just going to get it.
Buddy. Not even one single thing to attach the slightest bit of a hook onto in any way.
You want to do one?
Oh, can I get one that's just cigarette?
Yeah.
Keep going, keep going. Well, you're on there, but that's probably good, really. You don't want too much weight on the... Do you want to go all the way to the front? You got an awful lot of tongue weight on that truck right now. Holy f***, this is only 5-bolt. 5-bolt trailer. I mean, it's on there. I wouldn't put it too much more forward. I don't think.
Why don't we see what happens if it goes forward a little bit more?
Just look how low you're going. That's no good. That's no good.
It doesn't come right off anyway.
Right on. Well, good luck.
Yeah, man.
Hopefully you make her.
Yeah, we'll take our time.
Right on.
All right, have a good one.
Okay, yes sir, drive safe. Have a good day. Another satisfied custom peony. We're just curbside and terrible here in Inwood. What happened? You left your joints and lighters and shit in here.
That's probably my grandson.
No? You don't need it?
No, don't need it.
Yeah, have a good day. Well, that's good. You know what I mean? Drive it on the trailer. Oh, there. Okay, I go. How you doing?
All right, I'm out of here.
You get her all sorted out?
Yeah.
Right on, man. Yes, sir. Thank you. Careful. Oh, no. Oh, fuck. No.
Yeah.
Are they different sides?
Yeah, of
Different
course,
sizes on both
of course,
sides?
yeah.
Yeah. Ford.
21 on one, 24 on the other.
Nice. But yeah,
What's that?
this looks fun. But if you get you know, bored with this or whatever, the Watme's over there. I started taking the nublets off one side, but you can do the same thing. Just get tires off and then pull the brakes off.
Okay.
But I mean, you know, do what you're doing, and then, you know, I mean, if
I get done this, or if I can just get bored of just sitting here.
yeah, if it's just totally f***ed and you're just f***ed,
Oh
right?
no, it's not, they're not that bad. It's just they're way longer than
well,
I expected.
I got the Watme too, so you might be able to just Watme those out, right?
I got the other side already.
I apologize.
Yeah, those that back.
Yeah, so it's just yeah, you got to pull the f***ing seat out, at least that bottom. I don't know how the f***. Yeah, that's terrible, unfortunate situation. But anyways, I gotta go. You winning?
Got the cab off.
No.
Well, not full, like fully off, but all the bolts are out.
Nice.
Yeah. Not the whole. That third last one there.
This one?
That one's pretty stuck on.
No.
Yeah.
We'd have to just do that GMC. Holy, look at that one.
Oh, good one, eh?
Oh fuck yeah. You see this nest?
Oh shit.
Oh, there's little pigeons in it. Yeah, they're stupid. They're gonna shit all over my stuff. 8 in a V, sit down to pee. 6 in a row, ready to tow.
Huh.
You knew that?
I did not, but I know that now.
Yeah. Oh, another week down, boys. Hide your weed eaters. Just scoping weed eaters. Look at them. Oh, believe that? Holy schnikevets. Tractors. Oh, look at all the piss mats.
It's all of that right there.
Oh, I'm not sure which ones. They're supposed to be like a beige. Watch all the tractors. They're happy tractors, eh? Hey, I'm here for the mats. I just showed up. Okay, thank you. I just pulled in through the gate. I'm just sitting in the yard there right out front. Okay, thank you. How you doing?
That's good. That's good.
Not too bad.
How many after?
5, I think. How many's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right on.
Awesome.
Yeah, thanks a lot. You too.
Good one.
Yeah, we gotta remember to pick up wasp spray.
I got some at the house.
Hello? Just splendid. What's up?
Yeah, sir, my name is Ali, and I'm calling you about the air ventilation and the air duct cleaning. I believe it's been more than a year you haven't did the duct cleaning of your house, am I right?
Yeah, but you never show up. Why?
So I just give you a call for the first time.
Nope.
Yeah,
Nope.
yeah.
Nope.
But if you book the appointment, if you want to book the appointment, we surely came to your place to do the duct cleaning.
How about you close your mouth?
Beg your pardon?
I said close your mouth.
No?
Yep.
Die.
Piece of shit.
Yeah.
F***ing.
Why you abusing me, sir? Why you being an asshole, brother?
Because you keep calling me, but you never show up. You want to make an appointment to clean my ducts, and you never show up at my house. F***ing.
I just gave you a call for the first time that I just mentioned. Can't you hear a fucking shit?
F***ing. Oh. F***ing.
Fucking awesome.